Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you delete one of your answers in the Ask.fm application. Now the first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, here already you will find all of your answers in this wall. So in this case I only have one answer to a question. You can see the question here. Hello, if I would like to make friends, is it possible? I just answered yes. And if for some reason I want to delete that answer, all I have to do is just press on the three dots. You can see below the answer the last option. There are three dots. Press on it. And here I should just press the second option, which is delete, and press once again delete. And after that is done, you can see that my answer have disappeared. So yeah, it's pretty easy to do, and it doesn't require a lot of effort. Pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.